Kohima Ao Officertem Telongjem a Friday din commercial scale pig farming opor conference hall State Poultry Farm Mokokchung de seminar ayojan kurise. Survival Mokokchung initiative ke continue kurigena KAOT pra Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office Mokokchung Chief Logot miligena itu seminar luise. Symbiotic Foods Pvt Limited Tezpur Assam aro Northeast Progressive Pig Farmers Association founding president Manoj Kumar Basumatary seminar de resource person dakije. Seminar do duta session formal or technical session de luise. Nijor laga experience share kurigena technical session de Basumatary pra commercial pig farming logot jura kisam technical aspects opor kota kurise. Irologot district te kinika kurigena farming activities develop kuribo ito opor bi kota kurise. KAOT executive member Prajanaishe ki local kheti kura manukane to commercial venture ke technical gyan thakigena age lui jabole encourage kuribo nimite iru initiative luise. KAOT Vice President Logot former Vice President B itu a seminar de hissa luise.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.